put their thing down. Big old moth. He ain't no wax moth. Put this down here. Put a piece of paper towel. Spray a little moisture on it. That will cover half of it. Another one. Put it over here. Spray it down. Y'all go ahead and subscribe and y'all can see what happens to this once the bees start eating it. We'll check these next week. Oh, I need sugar. Well, that was all of my 4 pounds. So we're going to have to use a 10 pound. Get it broken up a little bit here. Usually keep my sugar in a bucket and dip it out with a cup. Seeing how these are the first ones I'm doing here. Put a couple pounds up there. Spray it down so the bees can start using it. That way when it gets hot on the inside this winter, or during the cold weather we have it, and it's cold on the outside and warm on the inside, the moisture will fall off the top instead of falling on the bees. It'll fall on the sugar. It's easier to do this than it is to make the cakes. And once it's in here for a little while and they get the moisture, they get the moisture from the top, the moisture from the inside, they'll be fine. Put that back on there. They are ready. Like I say, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees down in the barn. This is hive number 4. The first one was number 1, the second one number 2, the third one was number 3, this is number 4, and I bet the next one is number 5. So y'all have a great day. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like no comments on what y'all think we're doing out here. This is part. That's just part of it. There's about 1,700 acres right here this guy owns. But